Tonight, we are honoring and saying a big thank you to all our essential workers, many putting their lives on the line during this national crisis.
WPTV News Channel 5's Ryan Hughes explains that's exactly the case for a local ER nurse, leaving her family behind to help in one of the hardest hit areas.
We're trained to handle any task given to us.
Air Force Reserve Captain Cerelia Thurldor now on a new mission, deployed to help relieve the overburdened doctors and nurses in New York City hit hard by the staggering number of COVID-19 cases.
Patients here are much sicker than the ones I've seen in Florida. I'm seeing 30, 40-year-olds, healthy patients dying.
Cerelia is an emergency room nurse at Delray Medical Center. Last week, with less than 24 hours notice, she boarded a plane at MacDill Air Force Base in Tampa with other doctors and nurses assigned to the 927th Air Refueling Wing. They were sent to help combat the coronavirus crisis.
The volume is just tremendous. We're getting patients coming from their homes as well as the nursing homes, and they're just very sick.
Cerelia left her family behind and is stationed at Jacoby Medical Center in the Bronx. She's working long hours with limited supplies to stabilize patients and her unit working to save lives.
They want to help, and they feel like where they're being placed is placing them to help the most Americans possible.
Cerelia joined the Air Force 7 years ago to serve her country. Now she's one of the many on the front lines helping patients during this unprecedented time.
Seeing the patients here, no one's able to visit them. They're by themselves, and sometimes you're the last person they see. And being that person to hold their hand to support them, it has made a world of difference.
And a dozen other airmen were sent to New York on Wednesday, and in total, about 500 men and women have been deployed since the pandemic started. Cerelia will be in New York City until she is no longer needed. Ryan Hughes, WPTV, News Channel 5.